Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Dabble Labs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make an API call from an Alexa skill. To do this, we are going to be using a skill template from Dabble Labs. If you're not familiar with skill templates, then you can head over to skilltemplates.com where you can find a lot of templates which are already built by us. The advantage of using a template is that all the code, the interaction model and everything is already set up here, and all you need to do is just click on any one of these templates and sign in with your Amazon account to deploy it directly on your account with just a few clicks. Since we'll be using a template in Python today, so Python templates are not yet available on the website. So to do that, what we'll do is we'll go to the Dabble Labs GitHub page where you can find all of our templates, including the ones which are on the website. So as you can see here, these Python templates which are not on the website yet are available on our GitHub page. The template that I'll be displaying in this video is the template number 2, which is called the Python Alexa Remote API Example Skill. So let's go back to the developer console and get started. To create the skill, all we need to do is simply click on create skill and give the skill a name. So since this is template number 2, we'll simply name it template 2 and select the language as English US and the endpoint or the backend as Alexa hosted in Python. Once you've selected all of those, just click on create skill and we reach this page. So this page offers us a few templates which are provided by Amazon directly. We are not going to be using any of these templates. Instead, we are going to be using a template which I just showed you. So to use this template, you can go to the GitHub repo and copy the URL from there. The same URL will also be present in the skill description, so you can simply copy it from the description. And what you need to do is click on import skill and paste the URL here. What this does is it clones the repo from our GitHub page and makes a copy of that and deploys the skill on our own account, which in this case is this account which I'm showing you. So this whole process might take a minute or two, and once this is done, you will see that the interaction model, the skill backend and everything is everything will be deployed, and you can straight away go ahead and test the skill and start using it. So as you can see here, the skill is now successfully deployed. So let's just have a look at a few basic things, like the invocation name is same as what we set it to, and we have a few intents here. So all of these intents are predefined, and there is just one custom intent, which is the get remote data intent. So in this example, what we're going to be using is we're going to call an API which gives us information about the astronauts which are there in space right now. So what we are going to do is take the response from that API, process it according to our needs, which in this case is just making it grammatically sound nice, and convert it into a final speech output which will be spoken by Alexa. So let's see how that is done. So if you go to the code, you will see that I hope you all are familiar with the with the basic code structure that we are using here. The only new thing here is the request library which we are using for this skill. The request library is used, in Python to make an API call. The call can be a get or a post call with or without parameters based on the API requirements. So in our case, it will be a simple get call without any parameters. So let's see where the action is being done. So this is the API which we are going to call. So I'll simply open up the API and show you the data that we get. So as you can see that we get some basic information like the success message, the number of people, and the details about the people. So in this list we get all information about different names of all the people which are out there in space right now. So what we aim to do is pick up all of these names, format it in a way that it becomes a nice readable sentence, and then pass it on to Alexa to read it out. So as I just told you, here is the API request that we make, and once we get a response, what we do is simply pass that response and convert it into a dictionary format or in a JSON format that can be accessed by our code in a better way. So that we do this so that we can traverse the whole thing and pick out information like the names, as I just told you. Here is some logic that goes into this. So this logic, what it does is it does the formatting work. So it adds a few things before and after the names, and just separates the names by comma and all of those things. Once all that formatting is done, it simply passes the speech output and it is spoken by Alexa. So let's go ahead and test the skill to see if it is working as we intend it to. So we need to select development from here, just check that our language is English US, and just say open template 2.
There are currently 7 astronauts in space. Their names are Sergei Ryvikov, Kate Rubins, Sergei Kudzverchkov, Mike Hopkins, Victor Glover, Shannon Walker, and Soichi Noguchi.
So as you can see here, it successfully picked up all the information from the API, formatted in a way that is defined by our code logic, and then spoke it out. So this was a small and simple demo just to demonstrate how an API call works in an Alexa skill. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two from this tutorial, and I hope to make more of such tutorials for you in the future. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.